Hi, this is Brooks, and I am wondering what I'm going to say. I kind of don't know until I'm talking. Even these words weren't prepared in my mind, and they're showing up to me as well as to you. And I like them so far. I really like them. I think they're pretty good. And there's no words that have come out yet that I'm like, yes, that was really bad. Like, what was that word thinking? When it came out of my mouth. Anyway, I like that my body is a word producer. It's pretty cool that my lungs breathe out and then my tongue and mouth know what to do, and then out come the words. So maybe they're writing it, right? Maybe my lungs and my tongue and my mouth, they're the authors of this. So all accolades go to them. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.